Alright, peace everybody. In the previous video I went over how to create a Phantom wallet and set it up with the SolC IO platform and log into SolC. But right now I'm gonna show you how to actually fund that wallet. So if you wrote down your your key, your quick key or whatever to pull up the Phantom wallet, it's gonna show you like right here. One thing I forgot to go over in the previous video is that you have to trust the SolC IO platform, auto approve trusted apps. Go to the settings little tab and then go to SolC IO and auto approve. But right now I'm gonna show you exactly how to fund this wallet. So like I said, you're gonna want to have a Coinbase account already set up with your bank connected to it, or however you get money in there. You could also use Cash App to send Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase if you don't want to put in your banking information, or if you don't have a bank account. Um, and I could show you how to do. Well, I don't think I could show you how to do that on the computer. I might be able to, but it's really self-explanatory after I show you how to send money from Coinbase to the Phantom wallet. It's basically the same process. It's just copying and pasting a public key, which is gonna be like this little stream of numbers and letters that direct the Bitcoin to this wallet or to whatever application you're using. If it's Coinbase, it's going to be directing it to Coinbase, but if you have like a Phantom wallet, it's going to be directing it to your wallet. You could also go from Coinbase to Cash App, from Phantom wallet to Cash App, from Cash App to Phantom wallet. But you can't do from Cash App to Phantom wallet, but you do it to another wallet. You can't do it to the Phantom wallet because the Phantom wallet is not compatible with Bitcoin. But you're gonna go ahead and press deposit. You're gonna want to have Solana for this as well. I transferred some Bitcoin over to Solana, but let me see. You're gonna type in SOL. That's what you're gonna want to use. You're gonna copy this address because this address is what's going to be that key that I was talking about, your public key that is responsible for trading your crypto, or transporting, I should say. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to Solana, my Solana. I just transferred some Bitcoin to Solana right now. Is it here? Yes, it's here, 868. I'm gonna go ahead and press send / receive, and I'm gonna send it to the address. I'm gonna straight from when I copied it. I'm just gonna press paste, and you're not gonna want to change anything. The only thing you are gonna want to do is check to see if the first four and the last four are the same. And you're really not gonna want to press anything except for copy and paste. You don't want to even type it in. Sometimes if you're using a phone or from computer to phone, it's going to give you a barcode that you can just scan, but you really don't want to touch the key phrase at all, the public key, because if you input something incorrectly, even like one lowercase letter when it was supposed to be uppercase, your funds will just be void. Like, they'll go nowhere, and you won't have them ever. You can't get access to them either. So make sure you just keep it simple and take your time as well. Also, like I said in the previous video, all the information that you input, like whether it be your Coinbase password, or especially the phrases, the 12-word phrase, that's the main one you're going to want to write down, because you're not going to be able to get it back. But everything else, just write it down for convenience. But after you do that, you can write a note. It's optional. Yeah. Alright, and then you're gonna want to enter the amount that you want to send. Right now I'm gonna send. So the minting the gas fees, which is the fee that it costs to mint. The reason why I'm using SolC is because it's very cheap on there. It's not insane prices like OpenSea or the other ones, because they run off Ethereum, and the Ethereum fees are always high. Always. It's the most widely used one. But I'm gonna go ahead and press 8.67. Send all, or you could just do send all if you're doing all of it. Oh, it's fluctuating. See, the price is hella fluctuative. Okay, and then it's going to tell you the networking fee that it costs. I'm going to go over and show you the conversion of that fee. Let me see. How many zeros was that? 4. Oh, no, wait. That's 5 zeros. So that's less, way less. Oh my, that's less than, way less than a cent. Way less. So we're all good. It's a pretty dope fee. And then it's going to send you a little verification code. Make sure you get that code and enter it correctly. And you always want to take your time when dealing with this kind of stuff to avoid any mistakes. Okay. And, okay. See how, oh, that shit hit quick. Alright, now I'm going to close out my Coinbase and take it over here. Bam. Now you got your wallet funded. And in the next video, my woman's going to go over how to mint your NFTs. Peace.